Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental controls on ACER Iconia Tab P11. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on your avatar, and now click on Manage your Google account. And then you have to click on Data and Privacy, and scroll all the way down and then click on Delete your Google account. And now you have to enter your password. And now you have to scroll all the way down and you have to check these two checkboxes and then click Delete account. Now your account should be removed, so now let's restart the Google Play Store and click Sign In. Then click on Adult or Teen, and here you have to enter your email address. Then click Next, and as you can see my account is deleted, so now I have to click Next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. Then click I agree. And click Accept. And as you can see, my account is now recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.